15 things women really want in a relationship. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever found yourself wondering what women truly desire in a relationship? Those unspoken wishes that linger in the background? Today we're diving deep into those silent hopes and dreams. We'll share a light on the things that women truly yearn for but might not always voice. It's time to bridge that gap of understanding and bring you closer to her heart. And by the end of this video, you will be armed with insights that could change the way you connect with the women in your life. Intrigued? Of course you are. Let's unveil those secrets together. Women want your undivided attention. Now, at the core of every woman's heart lies an intense longing to be cherished and appreciated. When a woman decides to love a man, it is not a casual endeavor. She commits to a transformative journey together. To fulfill this desire, giving her your undivided attention is crucial. Show her that she is the center of your world when you are together. Put away distractions such as your phone or work-related thoughts and truly be present with her. Engaging meaningful conversations, actively listen to what she has to say and respond with genuine interest. By recognizing her significance and embracing her with unwavering attention, you create a powerful sense of connection and trust, igniting a fire of attraction that only grows stronger over time. Passive attention is key. While women appreciate attention, it's often the subtle and considerate gestures that speak volumes to their hearts. A lingering gaze, a gentle touch, or a simple question about her day can hold great significance. Pay attention to her nonverbal cues and body language, as they can provide valuable insights into her emotions and unspoken desires. Show interest in the little things that matters to her, whether it's remembering her favorite book or surprising her with a thoughtful gesture that shows you truly understand and appreciate her. Now, by offering passive attention, you demonstrate a level of care and attentiveness that makes her feel cherished and valued in the relationship. Be inclusive in the relationship. A successful relationship is not about one person taking charge of everything, but rather a partnership built on mutual respect and collaboration. Avoid assuming the role of the sole decision maker and embrace the idea of being inclusive in your relationship. Recognize that she desires to be an active participant, not just an observer. Seek her opinions and value her contributions to the decisions you both make, from choosing date destinations to planning future endeavors. While there may be times when she looks to you for guidance, involving her in the decision-making process empowers her and strengthens the bond between you. Respecting her opinions and recognizing her importance as an equal partner fosters a deeper sense of trust and emotional connection. Share your life with her. Beyond being involved in the relationship, women long to be involved in your life as well. Sharing your experiences, aspirations, and challenges creates a sense of emotional intimacy and trust. Now be open and vulnerable with her, allowing her to see the real you even in moments of vulnerability. The willingness to share your innermost thoughts and feelings is an act of great trust that draws her closer to you. Now, by being transparent about your life, you create a strong foundation of understanding and emotional connection, which further nurtures the love between you. Embody strength both mentally and physically. Women are drawn to a man who exudes strength, not just in the physical sense, but also in emotional resilience. So stand tall and unwavering in the face of life's challenges, providing her with a sense of security and stability. However, being strong doesn't mean suppressing emotions. Embrace vulnerability as a form of strength, showing her that you trust her with your innermost feelings. The ability to navigate life's ups and downs with emotional maturity creates a safe space for her to be herself and builds a deeper emotional connection. Lead the relationship. While modern relationships are frequently marked by equality and shared decision-making, there are times when a woman secretly desires a partner who can confidently take the lead. Now, this doesn't mean dominating or controlling the relationship, but rather showing initiative and decisiveness when needed. Leading the relationship involves being proactive in planning activities, surprises, and meaningful experiences together. It means taking the time to understand her interests and preferences and then crafting experiences that align with them. Your ability to take charge and confidently guide both of you through life's challenges and adventures can provide her with a sense of security and trust. Embracing this aspect of leadership can create a beautiful balance between her independence and your unwavering support, reinforcing the connection and commitment between you. Trust her implicitly. Trust, though it's the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. Avoid allowing baseless doubts or unnecessary jealousy to undermine the foundation of your connection. Trust her judgment, decisions, and loyalty to the relationship. Communicate openly about any concerns you may have, but do so with respect and without making assumptions. By placing your unwavering faith in her, you demonstrate your respect for her character and strengthen the bond between you. Shower her with love and affection. Now, women, we all know, have an intense need for affectionate expressions of love from their partners. Verbal and physical displays of affection are powerful tools to make her feel cherished and adored. Express your feelings through thoughtful words, complimenting her genuinely and appreciating the unique qualities that make her special. Show physical affection through gentle touches, hugs and kisses, creating a sense of closeness and emotional connection. Surprise her with small gestures of love, like leaving little notes or planning a romantic evening. Now remember, it's the consistency of these gestures that fosters a deep sense of security and warmth in the relationship. When she feels loved and valued, it ignites a reciprocal desire to reciprocate that love, fostering a strong and enduring bond that withstands the test of time. Establish boundaries with other women. Now, a woman desires a partner who respects the exclusivity and sanctity of the relationship. So, set clear boundaries with other women, avoiding behaviors that could lead to doubt or insecurity. Let her know that she holds a special place in your heart. By maintaining appropriate boundaries and prioritizing your relationship, you reinforce the trust and intimacy between you both. Embrace sociability. Being sociable goes beyond merely having a vast number of friends. It's about being approachable and friendly in social settings. Show genuine interest in getting to know the people in her life, such as friends and family. Engage in conversations, share your own thoughts and experiences, and be open to making new connections. Your ability to navigate social situations with ease will make her feel at ease and proud to have you as her partner. By embracing this, you demonstrate that you can adapt to various social environments and create a sense of comfort and inclusiveness wherever you go. Demonstrate integrity. Integrity, it's a trait that holds immense value in a relationship. Be true to your beliefs and values and remain authentic in your words and actions. Stand up for what you believe in, even if it means facing challenges or standing apart from the crowd. Avoid compromising your principles to please others or gain approval. Demonstrating integrity earns respect, as it shows that you have a strong moral compass and are willing to be genuine regardless of external pressures. A partner who possesses unwavering integrity is admired and trusted, laying the foundation for a deep and meaningful connection. Communicate with openness. Effective communication is the lifeblood of a successful relationship. Initiate meaningful conversations and actively listen to her thoughts and feelings. Don't leave all the emotional communication to her. Make the effort to share your emotions and insights as well. Be open and vulnerable about your own experiences and challenges. This creates a safe and understanding space where both partners feel comfortable expressing themselves. Honest and transparent conversations deepen emotional intimacy and foster mutual understanding and support. Cultivate maturity. Now, maturity is an attractive quality that encompasses emotional intelligence, rationality, and responsibility. Show emotional maturity by handling challenging situations with composure and empathy. Be a supportive partner during both joyful and difficult times, providing comfort and encouragement. Take responsibility for your actions and learn from mistakes, showing a willingness to grow and improve. Embrace vulnerability, allowing yourself to be authentic and comfortable, expressing your true self around her. Maturity fosters a sense of stability and trust, allowing the relationship to flourish in a nurturing and supportive environment. Radiate positivity. A positive attitude can have a great impact on your relationship. Embrace a cheerful outlook and celebrate the good in every situation. Share positive thoughts and experiences and be a source of joy and happiness in her life. Positivity is contagious, and your optimism can brighten her day and uplift the overall dynamics of your relationship. By radiating positivity, you create a loving and supportive environment that encourages emotional closeness and happiness. Unearth the unspoken desires. Beyond spoken words lie unspoken desires that even she may not fully comprehend. Take the time to explore her world and ask meaningful questions that go beyond surface level conversations. Show genuine interest in her dreams, aspirations, and passions. Pay attention to her nonverbal cues and body language, as they often hold valuable insights into her unspoken needs and emotions. By being attuned to her desires and fulfilling needs she may not even realize she has, you demonstrate a level of care and consideration that fosters a deep and lasting connection. Understanding and cherishing her unspoken desires allows you to create a relationship that flourishes with love and fulfillment. Now that you've cracked the code on the 15 things that women really want in a relationship, take your understanding to the next level. Journey into secret signs that she's fantasizing about you, or learn how to tell that she's smitten from the moment she says hi. If you enjoyed, please hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more insights.